Match the wood species, thickness, and grain of new jamb material to the existing door surround before you cut a single piece. Start by measuring the existing jamb depth, face width, and reveal at multiple points so you know whether the wall settles or the trim tapers. When replacing a damaged section, use the same wood species whenever possible because different woods absorb stain and paint differently and expand at different rates with humidity. If the original jamb uses a profile or routed detail, copy it with a router and template, or order a pre-manufactured matching profile from a millwork shop rather than trying to sand the new piece to fit. For thickness, mismatches shim behind the new jamb to recreate the correct plane and secure with screws set into concealed blocks so the face sits flush. To blend grain and color, test stains on scrap from the same wood and apply the final finish to the new piece before installation so you see the true color match, and when painting, prime both surfaces with the same primer to prevent flashing. For small gaps or irregularities, use flexible, paintable caulk at the face and wood filler at routed details, then sand lightly and feather the finish to make the repair visually continuous. Common mistakes are installing a different wood species and hoping paint will hide the difference, which can be fixed by switching to a matching species or using a consistent opaque finish after proper priming so absorption differences do not show. Another frequent error is failing to check jamb depth and screwing a thinner piece so the face sits proud, which you can solve by adding thin shims behind the jamb and trimming the reveal to match adjacent trim. People also often try to blend complex profiles by hand, leading to obvious mismatches, so either create a precise router template from the existing profile or source a like profile from a millwork supplier to ensure a seamless join. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors who can handle jamb repairs and material matching while sharing project photos and advice. Our discussion community lets homeowners and contractors exchange tips, review product options, and find job leads so we all learn and work more efficiently.